Hello, and thank you for stopping by 81 North Street here in Pine Ridge. My name is Mike Paglicia, a luxury real estate specialist with William Ravis Real Estate here in beautiful Naples, Florida. And I have to tell you, before I start, this house has a name, and it's Casa Dei Sogni. And in Italian, that means House of Dreams. I gave it that name as I do most of my luxury listings. You walk into a home and you see what you feel when you walk in. This home actually has everything that a home buyer would want. So thus I came up with the dream home. It's got 4 bedrooms. It's got a beautiful study. It's got a wine room. It's got a bonus room. It's got an Amazon room, which you don't see in many homes today. So if you get a lot of packages from Amazon, they go right into the Amazon room where you'll find a refrigerator, plenty of storage space. It's got a 5-car garage. It's loaded with upgrades. I would love to show you this home, and especially the guest house. That one is a showstopper. Feel free to reach out to me, 239-250-3556, and I'd be happy to give you the grand tour. Thank you.